August 2nd, the EU AI Act enforcement just went live. A year of rules, now with fines attached. One law, 450 million people. No exceptions. If you have EU users, you're already subject to this. The act entered force in August 2024. GPAI rules kicked in August 2025. Enforcement started today. The act splits AI into 3 tiers: banned, regulated, and what it takes a fine to stop. 7%. That's the maximum fine as a share of global annual revenue, the highest AI penalty in the world. GDPR max is 4%. The EU just beat their own record. For Meta, 7% of revenue is over $9 billion. 3 categories of AI are now completely banned inside the EU. Social credit scoring, real-time facial recognition in public, emotion detection at work, not fined, banned. High-risk AI isn't banned, but it's heavily regulated starting today. If an AI decides your job, loan, visa, or criminal risk, it needs conformity assessment, human oversight, and EU database registration. Claude, GPT-5, Gemini, every major foundation model is classified as general-purpose AI. GPAI obligations have been live since August 2025. What's new today? The Commission can actually fine you. 24. That's how many companies sign the GPAI Code of Practice. Meta is not one of them. Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Mistral, all signed. Meta declined. They're the only major AI company that didn't. Meta's strategy is simple: skip the code of practice and bet that enforcement moves slowly. It historically has, but Brussels just hired 140 AI enforcement staff. The pattern may not hold. The training data question is where this gets legally dangerous. Every GPAI provider must publish a summary of what they trained on. EU copyright law applies. Most companies are not ready to disclose. 35 million euros, or 7% of global revenue, whichever is higher, per violation, for banned AI systems. GPAI violations are 15 million euros, or 3% of global revenue, per incident. For OpenAI, that's roughly $60 million each time. The biggest models carry extra obligations. Systemic risk classification. Every frontier model, GPT-5, Gemini Ultra, Claude Fable, meets the systemic risk threshold. Adversarial testing and incident reporting required. The Act also creates enforceable new rights for every EU resident: right to an explanation, right to contest, right to demand human review. These are now legal rights, not product features. Colorado's AI Act takes effect June 30th, 20 days away. There's no federal AI law in the United States. States are moving on their own. Brussels is setting the global baseline. 3 things to watch: Meta's first fine, XAI's training data exposure, and whether Washington responds at all. New AI lesson every day. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next.